fix Apple AirPods volume issue on Microsoft Teams, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end and know about it. So let's get started. If you want to fix the volume issue of Apple AirPods, then make sure that your device volume is also at the very maximum and check if you're still hearing the volume or not. And if you're still not hearing the volume, then you just need to see on the Bluetooth app and make sure that it is turned on too. And if it is turned off, that may also be the reason that you are not getting audio on the AirPods itself. And if you are not still getting volume, then you just need to simply close the Bluetooth and simply open it again after 10 seconds or 15 seconds, because that helps you to fix the issue which are occurring on the Bluetooth itself. And if that helps, that's good. If that doesn't help, then you just need to open Play Store or App Store, and from here you just need to tap on the option of search and search for the Microsoft Teams app and see if there is any kind of update available for the app. And if there is any update available, then you just need to update the app and check after it. If that helps, that's good. If that doesn't, then you just need to restart the device and see if it will work or not. So that's it. That's how you can fix the Apple AirPods volume issue on Microsoft. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.